Good day, class. You are welcome once again to this practical session, Practicum in Science Teaching, SED 305, Integrated Science Option. You recall that I told you that integrated science covers all the aspects of sciences at the junior secondary school level. Today, we are going into simple machine, and we identify simple machine today. What is a machine? A machine is a device that does work. Most machines consist of a number of elements. A machine is also a device in which a force at one end, called effort, is used to overcome another force at the other end. This machine helps us to move objects from a closer part, either to higher level, or to raise it vertically, horizontally, and machine offer us mechanical advantage by allowing us to use less force to do some amount of work. Today, we identify a simple machine. I want us to know that a machine cannot be 100% efficient because much work put into the machine has been wasted to overcome friction in the moving machine. This accounts for the mechanical accuracy to be always greater than 1. At the end of this practical session, I told us we will just identify some of these simple machines, and at the end, we want the student to be familiar with simple machines. 1, inclined plane, pulley, wedge, lever, wheel and nozzle, and other simple machines that they can make use of in the science laboratory. Also, they should be able to explain the relevance of these simple machines, and they should be able to operate on those simple machines. Now, what is the question? The question is, what is the relevance of simple machine? It's just to make our work easy. We want to identify the simple machine that we have here. The first one, we have the lever. Remember that we have a first class lever, first class order lever, we have second class, and we have the third class. The first class lever contains an example of first class lever is the hammer, claw hammer. And then we have scissors, it's an example of a lever, and we also have plier, it's another example of lever. Also, second class lever, we have bottle opener and we have wheelbarrow, as we have in the screen. Then third class lever, we have forceps, we have sugar thumb, we have forearm, and series of them. And so we have wheel and nozzle, as we have this is an example of a wheel. We have the wheel and nozzle, we have it in keys, and we have inclined plane. Mostly inclined plane are used. This is an example of inclined plane, which will be used to lift up heavy load at in a vertical form. And then we have the pulley. This is an example of pulley. And we have screw, we have wedge, And there are some other examples like knife. Even as simple as as simple as it is, a knife is also a simple machine which will help you to cut any object in a simple way. Then we have the knife. I said we have knife. We have the stapler. The stapler will also help you to staple paper or to staple whatever you want to use it for in the science class. Then I told us we have the plier. It's another simple machine. We have the hammer, and we have bottle opener. And even as simple as this clip is, this is a clip, and it's also a simple machine which will be able to clip whatever you want to clip. So, practical question now. There are many simple machines. How can you make use of two during practical class? So, you prepare how to make use of those two. Then, in the next class, we will divide ourselves into two so that you will be able to make sure you come with your pencil, you come with your drawing paper. You are going to draw simple machines and label them appropriately. Then you take a look at simple machine in the class and draw two of those machines. Now, among yourself also, we discuss in detail the relevance of each machine in our science practical classes. Thank you.